Right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and as always, good to see you. Well, it's been a while since I've done a piece to camera, although I have still been producing the odd bits and pieces of footage, as you've probably seen. But I've been using the free editing software on Windows 10, and that's allowed me to do things a lot quicker. So I can sort of capture the footage, go home, go on Windows 10, put everything together on the timeline, and you know, within minutes I can put it up on social media. Sony Vegas is great, but it does take a lot of working out for me, and it can be quite time consuming, and then I get frustrated and all sorts of things happen, and they're not good normally. So I've been using this free software. I used to use Windows Movie Maker, which I'm sure probably a lot of you also did, and I was quite sad when that disappeared because I was just getting in the hang of that. But now they do the sort of the Windows 10 version of that, and it's much better. There are filters on there and all sorts of bits and pieces, and I definitely recommend that you give it a look. Right, what's happening today then? You've seen from the last footage that the Glencar construction site is almost come to an end. It's almost come to an end, and I think in the next week or two, the final bits of barriers, security barriers, and the security cameras will be gone, and then it will be a case of new people moving in, I expect. So as and when that happens, I'll keep you posted. What I'm doing at the moment is I've just popped into the Costa, and whilst I'm sitting here in the car park, not a stone's throw away from the other side, there's a digger, a bulldozer or excavator or whatever you want to call it, working on the next plot here, right by the side of the car park in the Costa. Now, I don't know exactly what it is they're doing. It looks like they're creating some kind of roadway or pathway into the site, pardon me, or they might just be clearing the hedgerows. I don't know, but they're obviously doing something, and it'd be great if this little bit of footage that I do today would be the very start, the very beginning of yet another construction development taking place. It's all part of the Royston Gateway, and it's the new business park. Today it would be silly not to take advantage. I mean, the sky is as blue as it could be. There's not a single cloud, not a mark, nothing up there at all. So it's absolutely perfect. I'm going to have to use quite a selection of filters to be able to get the best shots. I'm going to try and get some stills from the Mavic Air, which I brought with me, which is great from my perspective because I've not had a chance to get the Air up in the air for quite a while, and it'd be nice to re-familiarise myself with that. I'll get some video footage with the Mini 2 of these guys with their digger or bulldozer, so that if something does start to develop, at least I've got the very beginnings of that, and then we can progress and follow it through like I did with the other Glencar site. So, good to be back again in front of the camera. Look forward to today's shooting, and I hope you do too. And as always, bye for now.